Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, our social services office has been working for over 20 years to serve the community, but last year was not like any of those other years. It quickly became a year of emergency response, and a lot of the things that I might be reporting to you today just didn't happen. Our food bank is something that we've done for a long time, but during the pandemic, our food distribution became an essential service in ways that we couldn't have imagined. We had to move everything outside to keep people safe. Remember, at that time, food was hard to get and it was expensive, so we retooled all of our food sourcing to be able to afford it. And alhamdulillah, we were able to get free produce to distribute for almost the last 27 weeks of the year. We opened a food pantry to meet the increasing demand. Our cases were going up nearly 25% a week. And we re-registered all of our clients using new barcode technology that was made available to us from Capital Area Food Bank. At that time, we needed a lot of help with all of that, so we mobilized nearly 100 new volunteers and created a care team to check on the elderly and the shut-ins. We were navigating scores of patients to new patients and clients to new rent relief programs that were rolling out, and we were just learning about ourselves for the very first time. But not everyone qualified for those programs, so we were also processing emergency assistance cases ourselves, along with funeral cases for those who had lost a loved one. Ramadan would also not be like any other. We were able to provide pre-packaged iftar meals for drive-through pickup or deliver for those who couldn't even come by car. Nearly 30,000 meals were distributed during that holy month. We also processed Zakat al-Fitr applications at a distance and coordinated food drives and toy collections to pack and distribute over 400 Ramadan food boxes and Eid toys for the kids. We had special distributions too for World Refugee Day, backpacks in the fall, 5,000 pounds of Qurbani lamb, and 400 turkeys for Thanksgiving. Our classes that were suspended due to COVID we were able to complete our sewing class, which had suspended in March due to COVID, and our students were able to make 1,500 hand-sewn masks to donate back to the community through Volunteer Fairfax. And our family nutrition students were able to come back, finish their work virtually, and receive their new cookware sets. We were named a designated partner with KaiserPermanente to enroll people who didn't have access to health insurance in their charitable health plan. And alhamdulillah, we enrolled nearly 200 people at the end of the year, and their insurance was just made active on January 1st. And as you know, we opened our new dental clinic, which saw over 50 patients at the end of the year. We have that many more scheduled in March, and we're looking forward to growing that program. So alhamdulillah, there were many challenges in 2020, but many blessings as well. When we put our hands together, we were able to provide so much good to the community. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Jazakumullah khair. May Allah protect you and reward you for your generosity and for standing with us in good times and in bad.